The markets are bullish, but the financials are bearish. My name is Des here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, April 21st, 2014. And this week alone, the S&P 500 has 150 companies reporting earnings. Check this out, the S&P up 0.4%, the Dow up 0.25%. Nasdaq winning the day, up 0.64%. The Russell's up 0.4%. Banks, however, in bearish territory, down 0.23%. The VIX down 0.82%. Gold off by 0.4%. Silver off by more than 1%. Crude oil at break even. US dollar break even. Transportation index up 0.7%. Doing quite a bit better than the Dow itself. Utilities, which is a defensive sector, down just a mere fraction. And anyway, tonight we're doing a program. Hope you can join us. It's particularly good because we're actually talking about different things that we like, the brokers that we like and why we like them, charting platforms that we like and why we like them. And also we're going to get into some technical stuff when it comes to monitors, the best type of monitors to have, and also some free online storage places that I think everybody would find very useful to do your backups on. A lot of cool techie stuff. So go to the website. When you go there, right here under events, knock yourself out, get signed up. It's free, no charge for this. We do it once a week. However, we only do this one once every month and a half. So you'll have to wait another month and a half or so to hear this information again. Anyway, here we are. We're at a resistance point. This is the S&P 500. We dropped. We have a little pop. We drop. We rallied up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 days, and closing near the day's high at a resistance point. That resistance point right here puts us around 1871. 1872 was resistance here, and that's precisely where we're at right now. So it's going to be tough to get through. Something else I want to share with you. If I take the highs here to here, and then go from this high here to here, and go from this high here to here. And I'll tell you, a picture's worth 1,000 words. You can see it yourself right there. It's a rolling over taking place. So I am certainly hedged going into tomorrow. I see a lot of downside opportunity here going into tomorrow. Be interesting to see what happens. If you look here on a weekly chart, the thing that I find very interesting was 2 weeks ago we broke it. I was sounding the alarm, but last week we rallied back with a vengeance, and so far we are showing some bullish activity, but we're right here at this key resistance point. If we go bearish into tomorrow, I could see us dropping the rest of the week. It'd be interesting to see if that's what happens. We could be putting in the high right now. However, if we continue higher, our next area of resistance would be about 1880. So we'll be watching that for resistance. Taking a quick look here at the Nasdaq, we go higher, higher, higher. We actually went above the 61.8 number. That's relatively pretty strong. And we broke a trend line coming down that you cannot see here. But we do have the following 20-day moving average that should act as resistance. But there's a line here. And if I were to take this back, this gray line, you'll see this gray line found support here and support right here. Those two areas of support we come across, and we found kind of support there, broke it, and we're right there at that line again. So be interesting to see if we will drop going into Tuesday. A couple things here. Gold continued to drop. We are coming to a support level. It could be a buy area coming up soon. Silver dropped. I don't want any part of precious metals right now. Then here, Apple was up more than 1%. We broke out. It said Apple was a buy. Sure enough, we go higher, but we stalled at the 20 and 50-day moving average. It'd be interesting to see what it does with that. Amazon's up 1.8%. We said that was a buy. Continues higher, but we're now running into the following 20-day moving average, acting as resistance. Facebook was up a whopping 4%. Now, what's interesting on Facebook is I had that as a sell going into the weekend because it broke this trend line, which I had right there. So that was a sell, but it popped. So I was wrong on that, and it went higher. So right now Facebook is a buy. Google was down. We popped higher. And then we gave it back on Thursday, but we're coming to a support level. LinkedIn at 0.8% bullish. I mean, we called it a buy right there. It's gone up, 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 finding support at the 20, following 20-day moving average. Microsoft down a fraction. That continues to be a buy with a high base. Netflix, they just came out with earnings. They gapped higher, 363 or so. Let me look at that. We're in a 373 level now. 373. So 373. So we're going to be right there. This is a daily chart, so we're going to gap up right here somewhere tomorrow. Not too shabby. And Twitter was up 2.5%. We called it a buy on this candlestick, and it continues higher. Not too bad. All right. Hope to see you guys tonight. If you can't make it tonight, no big deal. Get registered for tomorrow. It's intraday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 10 a.m. Pacific, or you can wait until Wednesday, and that'll be Wednesday night. We'll be doing one too. So go to the website, get signed up, and we'll see you at one of those. Take care. Share us with a friend. A lot of great technical analysis here. We hope that it serves everybody quite well.